Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, comment down below and all that if what you think of today's video. But today's an exciting one. We have got the seats for the Skyline. They've arrived finally, hopefully with the brackets. I'm assuming I bought it all from the same place, so they should fit. I got well, I won't tell you what they are. I'll go and get them now and get up the garage and we'll get them fitted to the Skyline, eh? But yeah, let's go. Okay guys, here we are. As you can see, we have put the car on the ramp because not only am I going to be fitting the brakes, the big old seats today, we're going to be sorting out all these fuel lines and whatnot because they're just sort of dangling at the minute. Alan bought himself a new toy, a guy that owns this garage, that what do you call it, a well nut thing, riv nut, whatever you want to call it, one of them things. We're going to stick some of them in there, sort of. And bought some brackets already to hold them in and see what happens, see if it looks a bit tidier. But yeah, you haven't seen the whole build for this. Look at me playlist. As you can see, the whole car's sort of restored, not nowhere near like what you call it, pristine, but Ryan spec. But yeah, let's get these bad boys open and have a look at them because I've only seen a photo on the website. But I got these from as you can see, big label there, VIP Motorsports, company in UK. They do all sorts of car parts. Big shout out to them. I'll link in the description down below where for these actual seats, and there's got loads of different colours, loads of different types. But yeah, let's get them open. Little sneak peek of the colour. Did order brackets with these, which is what I was waiting for so long.
Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you.
Where's the fucking brackets?
White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
Hey guys, as you can see, I went for red and black. The car's obviously blue if you haven't seen it, and the engine bay, and the engine's red, calipers are red, so we've gone for red. Braum seats from America. And I also got the actual brackets for these seats for that car because I didn't want to mess around having to fabricate stuff using the standard old brackets and all that. So yeah, there they are. Link will be in description. Obviously we're going to fit them, but I like them. I wasn't sure about the fabric because obviously I've got kids, but they're just be banned from the car. So yeah, half leather, half like material, I don't know what you call it, cloth. I hope you like them. Let us know in the comment section what you think of the seats anyway. But let's get them whipped in to that car. Oh yeah, and on the back it's got like obviously the Braum logo, but then it's got like a like a fake carbon fibery weave look, which is similar to what the A45's got in the interior. Yeah, good quality. Good quality. Yeah, first things first, I have to assemble the mounts, which comes in a little flat packet, look, which is awesome. I love stuff like this now. This is a bit of a big fat fail. Obviously for you it's going to be a couple of minutes, but basically they've the company has sent out obviously the seats and the rails, which is good, and I can wang these on, that's no problem. But the base plates that actually mount to these rails to the car, which are separate things that I ordered, they're not here yet. They should be delivered today. So what I'll do is I'll just shove these rails on for a minute and continue the video once obviously the base plates are here. But what I will do is I'll do these fuel lines like I said, and hopefully they'll be here soon and it'll just continue with a nice flowing video of all the stuff going right. But yeah, you never know. Let's get on with the rails anyway. But yeah, it's pretty simple really. One bolt behind there, all you do is just slide, can't really do it in a minute, you slide it down, bolt in, slide it back, put another bolt in, same on that side, this just clips straight on. And that's the actual rails on, simple. But yeah, I just need the bracket now. Right, that's both the brackets on. Not sure how this works, obviously it throws the thing back, but I can't move it with my hand, so I'm assuming you've got to sit on it. But I'm going to throw them in to see how they look, till the brackets get here. Let's chuck them in. Oh, they're definitely going to pop. Just the blue and the red, it just matches, doesn't it? Spider-Man colours with the brakes. Right, let's throw them in, just have a look. Right, let's go for a test fit. Obviously the mounts aren't on, so it might be a bit low. Oh, definitely a bit low. Oof, not bolted in. Well, they're pretty comfortable. Rocking chair at the minute, but yeah. Hold you quite well as well. Oh no, I got no handle inside, I'm stuck. Approved. Oh shit. Oh, now I have to scratch bits, small bits to scratch. Right, stop messing around and some more things fitted. Right, there's one inside. Don't look great because there's no interior, but it's got a dashboard with no other parts. Long way to go. Anyway, the seats, you get the gist. Obviously I'll fit them when I get the brackets. But for the minute, while we're waiting around, obviously got to do the fuel lines and all that. I'll do that in a bit. I also got my downpipe to fit because at the minute it's just a turbo air ball going straight out to the atmosphere. So this is my old downpipe. It's a Jap Speed twin pipe. Or basically they do for these twin pipes, instead of having one big 3-inch, I think it is, the double one makes it a bit lower, a bit higher for ground clearance. Yeah, basically it just keeps it from scraping so much, even though as you can see it's already been scraping, but not as much as booze, I'm assuming, as a just a one single pipe. Plus it's very cheap from Jap Speed. But I bought some wrap, so I'm going to wrap it just to keep the heat down in the engine bay, and plus it'll cover up all the crustiness we don't want to see. Let's get that done. Okay, yeah guys, this stuff, chuck it in water, let it soak for a minute, keeps all the dust down. Start it off, just wrap. I'm not going to wrap in between there because I can't be bothered. I've started it off and then I'll put one of these little metal cable ties that you get with the kit. Easy as that. I'll put you on a time lapse because it's really boring stuff. pretty. Gonna do the downpipe as well. Took the O2 sensor out because I need to get rid of it anyway, because I need to get a wideband for the Link ECU. So wrap this thing and that'll do. By the way, that's the heat shield there, goes on the top. It's not just exposed. God, that was a pain in the ass. But it's wrapped. Yeah, it turns out if you want to order any of this stuff, this wrap, I ordered 2 rolls and I've used maybe half of it on the downpipe and the turbo wearables, so got a load of spare stuff now, which is nice. Just so that you guys know, if you order any and you want to wrap your exhaust, it's it goes for a while. So I've done all that and the downpipe and used half the roll, so if you buy one, you might be able to do the whole of your exhaust. This is a long car. But yeah, got the heat shield back on. It's a pain in the butt, but okay guys, that's where we're at anyway. Some more bits done. I shall show you today's achievements. You see the downpipes on. The fuel lines and the brake line is tidied up, but still need to just put a bracket on here to get these up there. And yeah, that is that. I know it doesn't seem like a lot today, but it was. Hey guys, there you go. Yeah, bit of a weird video, but got it done. So the seats, they're in the car, they're not mounted. Obviously the brackets aren't going to be here, well not obviously, but the brackets aren't going to get here till about 3:30 this afternoon, so I'll have to fit them another day. But say the seats are in the car, just resting there, but it looked good. We've got the downpipe wrapped, the turbo wearable wrapped, got the downpipe mounted to the car, cleaned up as well. I've done the fuel lines and stuff like that, tidied all that up. We still need to mount them properly, but yeah, I'm afraid it's going to be loads of little bits like that now and again to get the car finished off. Really, it's all the annoying stuff like that that's got to be done, so then we can MOT it and drive it around. But yeah, the seats look awesome. I love the seats. Say the linked in the description down below. So's the exhaust heat wrap. What else do I use? Is pretty much it really. But yeah, like and subscribe to the channel guys. Let me know what you think of the seats down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm